So we're here at the Future Electronics stand and we're looking at the onsemi board today. I'm here with Ennio Bonelli. He is the specialist FAE for power for Future Electronics in the southern region. Ennio, what have onsemi got for us here?
Okay, thanks Mark. Here we have three different boards. Two of them are coming from onsemiconductor and one is coming from our Center of Excellence, but it's still based on onsemi devices. Here we have PFC, bridgeless totem pole, which is a topology allows you to have a PFC very compact and with high efficiency. Then,
what sort of efficiency are we looking at, Ennio?
Here we are talking about 98% roughly.
Wow, okay.
And this is for a power supply application. And then we have the SiC, which has been done by our Center of Excellence. This is a power supply based on LLC controller from onsemiconductor, and this is a 3.5 kW for high power, high efficiency as well. We are talking about 90% efficiency with a high frequency in the range of 250 kilohertz. And this is really good in order to shrink the size of the magnetics. And here we have the first device from the EcoSpin family from onsemiconductor, which is a family done for motor control application. The beauty of this device, which is called ESC640A, is because that integrates both one microcontroller, ARM Cortex M0 Plus, and the three half-bridge gate drivers, and an op-amp in order to work on the signal chain of the feedback of the motor. So this one is for motor control application. In this case, the board is up to 640 watts, and it integrates also 6 discrete IGBTs from onsemiconductor as well.
Thanks, Ennio. So onsemi, they've got some great solutions for your wide band gap and your motor control. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.